Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are stepping inside a magical little world where snowfall is gentle, cannot glow against wooden walls, and every piece of decor tell a story. In this video, we will create rustic farmhouse Christmas wall decor inspired by the charm of snowy winter cozy nights and the timeless beauty of a country farmhouse. So, grab a warm drink, settle in, and let's begin this peaceful winter journey. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine an old farmhouse sitting quietly at the edge of a snow covered field. Forest ceiling to the window, the ham decor creaks softly, and pine trees stand tall in their white coat. Inside the home, smell of cinnamon wood and fresh pine branches. This is the feeling we are bringing to our wall decor today. Simple, warm, rustic, and filled with the magic of home. Before we begin crafting, picture the final piece hanging proudly on a wall. A reminder, a cozy winter night, childhood memories, and the peaceful stillness that only Christmas can bring. For this project, we are keeping everything natural and farmhouse inspired. Here, what we be using a wooden board on frame, white pine to chalk pine, jute rope, or rustic twine, mini pine cones, fox snow, grindle-like pine branches, or a painted snowy farmhouse image, a stencil, a touch of ribbon of festive finish. These materials are simple, but together they tell a powerful story. Everything you touch, the rough the rough wood, the soft greenery, the teeny pine cones, each element bring us a step closer to capturing the spirit of quiet winter morning. Let's start with the wooden board. Run your hand across the surface, feel its texture, the natural grooves, the imperfections. This is what makes rustic decor so beautiful. Apply a light coat of white or off-white chalk point, not too thick, just enough to give it the weathered farmhouse look. As the brush glides over the wood, imagine snow falling gently in the early morning light, dusting rooftop and fences. Let the paint dry as we continue our winter storytelling. Now bring out your painted farmhouse. Imagine our utensil. Place it in the center of the board as if you are opening a window into snowy world. If you are using a stencil, lightly dab point to bring the winter sense to life. If you are using a painted image, attach it carefully with glue. This is where the story begins. The farmhouse stands quietly under the winter sky, its lights glowing softly through frosted grass. Maybe you imagine someone baking Christmas cookies inside, or a family gathering around the fireplace, or children leaving teeny footprint in the snow. Whatever you see, this decor piece become the farm of your farm for your imagination. Next, let's add depth and texture. Take your greenery and place it around the corner of the board. Let the pine branches stretch naturally